Let's begin by removing the decorative cover of the air conditioning vent. Next, disconnect the wiring harness from the back. Remove the bottom cover to expose the fixing screws. Unscrew these 4 fixing screws. After removing the air conditioning control panel, disconnect the wiring harness on the back. Unscrew the fixing screws on both sides of the main unit. Remove the main unit and disconnect the power cord on the back. This is the fiber optic audio cable, which also needs to be disconnected. Then, unscrew the display screen fixing screws. Pull the display screen upwards, and then disconnect the wiring harness on the back. Now, take out our new unit and the necessary cables for installation. First, install the main power cable. Thread the power cable upwards from the main unit compartment all the way to the top layer. Leave the other connecting cables in the middle layer. If your car has a rear view camera installed, you can connect the rear view camera line to our wiring harness. The reverse power line needs to be tapped into. Find the rear camera PWR line and connect it. Make sure to wrap the connection point well to prevent short circuits. Organize the connected wires and tuck them into the compartment. Next, connect the USB cable. It is recommended to thread it from the passenger side to the air conditioning panel compartment and then upwards from the air conditioning panel compartment to the top layer. Take out the power adapter cable and connect it to the original power cable. Connect the original car's fiber optic audio cable to the other end of our power cable, and then connect them together to the original car's main unit. Push in the original car's main unit. If your car doesn't have sound when playing music, you need to connect this AUX cable. Connect one end to the AUX interface of the power cable and the other end to the AUX port of the main unit. Next, take out our new unit and insert the corresponding cables as shown in the video. Align the unit with the holes and insert it to secure it. Start the car and test if the functions are working properly. Check if the original car's knob is working normally. Here, we notice that the screen display has a problem. You can click the small arrow on the right side of the screen to bring up the resolution options and select an appropriate resolution to make the screen display correctly. Switch the audio to AUX output and insert a USB flash drive to test if the USB is working. After confirming that everything is working, fasten some of the fixing screws in the order shown in the video. Following the steps in the video, connect the wiring harness of the air conditioning panel. Fasten the 4 fixing screws. Reinstall the bottom cover. Find the hazard warning light wiring harness and the air conditioning sensor line. Connect these two plugs as shown in the video. After organizing the rear wiring, put the vent face frame back on. Press the hazard warning light button back in place. Installation complete.